Hey y'all, Crescenda here. This video is about the 12-inch Lulutress bomb twist. The point of my crochet videos is to show you what the different crochet hair options look like on someone. And even though I don't have a tutorial for y'all this time because I didn't do my own hair, I still wanted to come on and show you all what this hair looks like in case you're considering buying it. The hair I use is the Lulutress 12-inch bomb twist in the color number 4. This pack has 36 twists. Usually when I wear my crochet, it's either in a half up, half down style or something pulled back like this clip. Because I had so much hair in my head, it was kind of big or poofy at the top. So after pulling the front back, I pulled that side down under it to make it flatter. This is day 39 when I took the hair out and it still looked great. If I'm remembering correctly, and from these clips, there was minimal snagging. You see how the strands are kind of sticking together? Yeah, very little of that. Here's an up-close look at the ends of the hair. For reference, I'm 5 feet and this is where the hair falls on me. Overall, I think the quality of the hair was really good, but the twists just weren't my favorite, and I do not like those little loop-de-loos throughout the twist. Someone else did my hair this time. The braid down and the install were both great. The only thing is she did 15 or 16 cornrows and my max is usually 12. As more cornrows means more hair. And when I do my own installs, I try to keep it between 120 and 140 braids or twists. I purchased 5 packs and I think we used them all, which means I had 180 twists in my head. Yeah, that's a lot. But next time I have someone else do my hair, I know what to request. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.